Hello everyone, I'm Abraham, and you found your way to Smart Skill Studio, where curiosity meets knowledge. I'm here to be your host and mentor as we dive into the fascinating world of learning. Join me on this educational journey, where we'll explore a wide range of topics and uncover valuable insights together. I'm excited to share my passion for learning with you, so let's embark on this enriching adventure. Our topic: weather forecasts and climate change. Everything you need to know. Definition: weather forecasts predict the state of the atmosphere at a specific location and time in the near future. Types of weather forecasts. 1. Short-term forecasts typically cover a few hours to a few days. They are highly accurate and useful for daily activities. 2. Medium-term forecasts cover up to 10 days. They provide a good balance between accuracy and planning. 3. Long-term forecasts cover weeks to months. They are less accurate and are often used for broader trends, forecasting methods, observational data gathered from weather stations, satellites, and radars. Numerical weather prediction, NUP, uses mathematical models to simulate the atmosphere, statistical methods, historical data trends, and statistical techniques to predict weather patterns. Expert meteorologists interpret data from various sources to provide the most accurate forecasts. Key components of weather forecasts: temperature, precipitation, rain, snow, sleet, wind speed and direction, humidity, atmospheric pressure. Climate change. Definition: climate change refers to long-term changes in temperature, precipitation, and other atmospheric conditions on Earth. It is primarily driven by human activities that increase greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. Key factors: greenhouse gases, carbon dioxide, CO2, methane CH4, nitrous oxide N2O, and fluorinated gases trap heat in the atmosphere. Deforestation reduces the number of trees that can absorb CO2. Industrial activities increase emissions of greenhouse gases. Agricultural practices contribute to methane and nitrous oxide emissions. Impacts of climate change: global warming, increase in Earth's average surface temperature, sea level rise, melting ice caps and glaciers, and thermal expansion of seawater. Extreme weather events: more frequent and severe hurricanes, droughts, heat waves, and heavy rainfall. Ecosystem disruption, affecting biodiversity and natural habitats. Human health: increased heat-related illnesses, vector-borne diseases, and food security issues. Relationship between weather forecasts and climate change. Influence on weather forecasts: increased variability. Climate change leads to more extreme and unpredictable weather patterns, making short-term forecasts more challenging. Model adjustments: meteorologists need to continuously update models to account for changing climate conditions. Extreme events: improved forecasting techniques are crucial for predicting and preparing for extreme weather events. Using forecasts to understand climate change. Trend analysis: long-term weather data helps identify climate trends and anomalies. Climate models: these are used to project future climate conditions based on different greenhouse gas emission scenarios. Mitigation and adaptation: early warning systems. Enhanced weather forecasting can provide early warning for extreme weather events, helping communities prepare and reduce impacts. Policy planning: accurate weather and climate forecasts aid in developing policies and strategies for climate change mitigation and adaptation. Key takeaways: 1. Weather forecasts provide short to medium-term predictions about atmospheric conditions, essential for daily planning and safety. Climate change represents long-term shifts in weather patterns, largely driven by human activities that increase greenhouse gas concentrations. Extreme weather events are becoming more frequent and severe due to climate change, complicating weather forecasting efforts. Accurate forecasting is crucial for preparing for and mitigation the impacts of extreme weather events. Long-term weather data and trends are vital for understanding and projecting climate change impacts, helping to inform global policies and local adaptation strategies. Understanding both weather forecasts and climate change is essential for making informed decisions, enhancing preparedness, and developing strategies to mitigate and adapt to the changing climate. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. See you in the next video.